Assalamualaikum everyone. Today is 19th days Ramadan fasting and today is Thursday. Time check Pakistan time is 2:30 p.m. And my recipe for today is bindia curry or ladyfinger or okra curry or bamya in Arabic. So ito yung aking mga panggisa, onions, tomatoes with green chilies, garlic, at saka ito yung asin, turmeric powder, chili powder. So, start na tayong magluto, maggisa-gisa. And ito naman yung para sa akin for my dinengdeng Ilocano favorite dish. Bali, dalawa lang itong aking gulay na available, okra at saka talong. So, lagyan ko din ng sibuyas, bawang, slices of tomatoes at saka may dalawang prito na isda na sahog and bagoong isda na homemade. So, start na tayong magluto first ng itong bamya or ladyfinger curry or bindia curry. Let's saute now onions. I use oil which I fried fish before 3 days ago, I think. So now we can put now this garlics. After this bindia or ladyfinger curry, I will transfer in another container. Then I will cook also my dinengdeng in this the same casserole. Then after dinengdeng, I will transfer also in another casserole. Then I will cook rice also in this casserole. Because I cook dinengdeng, so must be there is rice. And you know, rice is life. For them, I will make chapati, roti or kubos. Onions and garlics already brown. Now we can put first this masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. To be followed by slices of tomatoes and green chilies. Then we have to wait these tomatoes become paste. Then we can put now these slices of ladyfinger, okra or banya or bindia. Now we can put little bit water. So tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this ladyfinger or okra. This is 1 kilogram, and the rest I think little I keep also for my dinengdeng. Let's check. So I think this is already cooked, half cooked. Now I will transfer this one in another casserole because I will cook now my dinengdeng. I will use also this casserole. First, I boil soup or sabaw ng aking dinengdeng. So, first we have to put this one here. This is homemade bagoong isda. Yan. And then we make like this. Kasi yung tinik, maraming tinik. Ito yung aking homemade bagoong isda. O yan, tipid-tipid. Kunti na lang natira. Ayan, maraming tinik. Sa Ilocano, ganito kami magdinengdeng. Pag homemade bagoong isda, yan, ganyan ang gagawin. Pag yung ano ba yun, yung boneless na bagoong, no need na to make like this. Ayan, okay na ito. So, yan yung tinik, oh. So, we can put now also this one, onions, tomatoes, garlics. Now, we can put now also this eggplant and okra, ladyfinger. And then salt. Ayan, ganito lang kasimple ang pagluto ng dinengdeng. Walang magic sarap. Mamaya ko na lang ilagay yung yung sahog, dalawang sahog na prito ng isda. Pag paluto na ito. And then ito na yung aking transfer na bindia, ladyfinger cut. Ayan. So after this one, dinengdeng, I have to transfer again in another container. Then I will cook also rice. After rice, then pakora. Then after I will cook also chapatis. Blending homemade butter. 4 rounds na ito. Every 4 rounds. Every round ay 1 minute. So butter na ito. Ayan, buo-buo na. So tanggalin na natin yung butter. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ilagay natin dito. Kasi yung ginawa ko last 10 days ago, naubos na kaninang umaga. So ito, nag-ipon ako ng cream, homemade. Ano ba yun? Yung organic fresh buffalo milk. Tapos pinapakuluan ko sa gabi, tinatinggal ko yung cream. Nakaipon ako ng 2 bowl. So ito, i-blend ko na. Kasi masarap ito ipalaman sa sa chapati. Tamang-tama pang siri kaya suhor bukas. Ayan. Kisa bibili pa, mahal yung yung commercial butter. Ito organic talaga, walang halo. Now cooking rice, only 1/2 kilogram because this is only for me white rice. I have my dinengdeng. Ayan. After this one, then I will fry now also pakoras. And then, nakagawa na din ako ng, ito na yung homemade butter. Ito na yung juice niya. You can drink also this one. And you can cook this one also as curry. Ito na yung homemade butter. Oh. Pag binili mo ito, nasa 400 plus din. Ayan. Ito pwede pa ito pang yung mainit-init na chapati tapos lagay dito, pahiran dito, masarap yan, oh, para hindi sayang. So may pang na bukas si Fatma kasi gustong-gusto niya itong homemade butter. Ayaw niya ng commercial butter. Pang bukas ito, pang siri, suhor with chapati. Now we can mix now basin or chickpeas powder for pakoras. I put one already, 1 tablespoon here, so I will add more. 4 tablespoon only I need here. Inuubos silangga. And then 1 tablespoon of chili powder and salt. And then water. Inuubos silangga. Now we cut now potatoes and we will put here in basin for pakoras. frying now pakoras. This is last. Cooking or making now chapatis. 10 only I make because I have my rice. 3 for Langga, 3 for Fahad, 2 for Lakay, and 2 for Fatma. Ayan. Our dinner and iftari for 19 days Ramadan fasting is ready. Pakoras, chapatis, just now ko. Ayan, umausok pa. And fruit chat, someone give rice plau, dates, sharbot with tukmalanga seeds, may dinengdeng, lady finger curry, rice.